Flintstone Engineering Shared Company was formerly known as Tzadeka Yehune Construction when founded in 1992, joined the Ethiopian construction sector as a Level 8 building contractor. A year later, the company was named Flintstone Engineering after the Flintstones, which the early men used to lit fire to symbolize the advancement of humanity through innovation and technology. Back in the days, since the local construction sector was at its infancy, Flintstone started to involve in subcontract works from existing firms and started its remarkable journey, thereby developing its construction management as well as manpower capacity. The company's core business principles are value analysis, no more, no less, long-sighted marketing, attain zero buyer's remorse, operational excellence, Grade 1 construction firm with strong foreign and local investment footing are our three key success factors. By embracing these firm principles, Flintstone has been working on various government projects like universities, hospitals, governmental and non-governmental offices, water supply, and road projects. The firm has successfully completed and delivered construction projects throughout the country. Flintstone launched its real estate arm, Flintstone Homes, in 2008 after observing a huge opportunity in the housing market. At that time, the construction of houses was solely dominated by the government, and there was a big gap of demand and supply. Considering this, Flintstone believed that this sector should be supported by a strong private sector with many developers on market. After its commencement of building houses, Flintstone Homes declared its long-term plan to solve shortage of houses by the joint effort of public-private partnership, and its short-term plan to build houses timely, efficiently, and with a good quality, thereby building its reputation on the market. As a result, the firm started its ambitious real estate venture by the first real estate project, Twin Crossings, at the outskirts of Addis Ababa. The maiden project was a fully residential village which consists of 40 villas, 60 townhouses, and 467 condominium apartments with a total of 567 units. The houses were handed over to clients in June 2013 to make it the first ever private real estate project in Ethiopia to deliver houses in the promised timeline with a fair price. In the following years, Flintstone expanded its scheme by involving in other real estate property developments. The firm has designed and delivering a unique landmark shopping mall and store at the heart of the city, nearby what is dubbed the largest open market in Africa, Mercato. The building was called Lideta Mercato Shopping Center. The elegant and consistent promotion strategy the firm adopted so far enabled it to have a great impact on the local housing market and establish itself as one of the very top housing companies in Ethiopia. In addition, the company's 4U principle enabled people from all age groups to believe that owning houses was possible for any income group. Flintstones continue to provide houses with 3 categories by construction status, which are completed, under construction, and upcoming units at different locations. Currently, the company is targeting to sell 50 units per week through building its in-house capacity for design, promotion, marketing, and construction. These days, when you think about housing, you think of Flintstones. The main idea of marketing strategy was house ownership can be possible through saving and hard work, which resonated from the capital city throughout the regional states. Consequently, the construction of houses and shopping centers in regional cities were provided in places like Dessie, Debre Zeit, Drezdoa, and Hawassa. Flintstone today. Flintstone Homes so far has sold over 4,607 houses in Addis Ababa and handed over more than 1,400 units for its clients. At the time, the company has more than 3,500 different types of real estate properties on sale. Currently, the annual revenue of the company is more than 700 million Ethiopian birr. Starting business with just 3 employees, today Flintstone has over 500 permanent employees, with over 1,500 employees on contract. The current contract portfolio stands around 4.9 billion Ethiopian birr. Among the numerous real estate projects now on progress, the Ade Bashali compound is the largest one. Residing on 23,000 square meters plot of land at the outskirts of the city, the project will have 94,016 square meters total built-up area and hosts over 1,260 residential houses with commercial and other facilities and has an estimated project value of over 1 billion Ethiopian birr. Today, Flintstone is one of the most recognized names in the Ethiopian real estate industry in a rapidly developing economy and a country urbanizing with astonishing pace. Ethiopia's fast-growing economy has brought increased demand of urbanization, which not only brought problems but also opportunities. Flintstone hopes to curb this basic socio-economic issue strategically and quickly in collaboration with all stakeholders. In line with this, the firm is working on its ambitious rural urbanization program. From 2015 onwards, the firm is working on an integrated rural urbanization program through modern urban planning called Tukul to Dachas. The program was formed in partnership with regional governments, major regional universities, the German University of Weimar, Addis Ababa University's EIABC, financiers, foreign investors, and the public. The firm aspires to see the program running with full stride in 2019 and create a huge housing market for the real estate industry which will benefit everybody. The government of Ethiopia is planning to create 8,000 rural-urban settlements according to the Second Growth and Transformation Plan. This would definitely urbanize enormous parts of the society and create a huge rural real estate and other markets. Flintstone Prospects. Flintstone targets to increase its weekly housing sales from 50 per week to 200 per week. It has also started building modular units from 35 square meters to 70 square meters, from 1-bedroom to 3-bedroom apartments. This will help create affordable housing for the majority of the society, aiming to create huge amount of primary house owners. But the housing industry in Ethiopia is not without problems. Poor local supply chain and lack of capital goods, the structural problems of construction industry, the dire hard currency shortage, lack of financiers are among the few major problems observed in the industry. Flintstone believes finding the right partners with global partnership will alleviate these problems, and together it is very possible to create a very successful real estate business. With a rapidly growing developing economy, ever-increasing urban population with growing income, ever-expanding market, young and ambitious leadership and workforce, the firm has strategically placed itself for growth and prosperity. Flintstone is ready to create partnership with all kinds of firms interested to invest in the housing industry in Ethiopia. State-owned enterprises are also encouraged for this partnership as they go with our organizational objectives, help transfer public enterprise efficiency to the local state firms to help transform the industry as a whole, and for a better guarantee in partnership. Let's create successful projects together through global partnership. The future is bright with Flintstone. Flintstone is for you.